put me in this class with 15 other guys. A couple of months after I saw Scott Hamilton, I'm in Lake Placid, New York, and I'm about to learn on concrete track because the ice is melted. We're going to go on wheels from the half-mile point, 50, 55 miles an hour. We're wearing tennis shoes, shorts, and a T-shirt. Yeah. And a helmet, but that's just for decoration. Yeah. You crash at that speed, straight to the hospital. They call it the weeding out process in the sport of luge. Yeah. But I'm glad he tried to talk me out of it. He didn't candy coat it. He could have said, hey, you're laying down, it's downhill, doesn't get any better than that. No. He said, you're going to break some bones, you're going to get hurt. So after I hung up, I started thinking, man, this is going to be tough. He says I'm going to break some bones. So what am I going to do when I break a bone? I thought, well, I've broken bones before. You wear a cast for 6 weeks, take off the cast, it's healed up and stronger than before. So it's really a temporary inconvenience. See? So I reframed it. I was ready. I had a contingency plan. Meanwhile, all these other guys, they're quitting left and right. They're quitting because they got a bruise. It was crazy. They didn't think about it. And I just kept on keeping on. They had crazy reasons for quitting. Oh, it's too expensive. Oh, it's too far away. Oh, I miss my family. Oh, I don't like the luge. I didn't like the luge either, okay? I was killing myself out there. First 2 years, I was crashing 4 out of 5 times. 4 out of 5. That hurt, okay? Yeah, but I kept at it. After a while, I was crashing 3 out of 5. That was a great day, yeah. And then 1 out of 10. By the end of the second season, I'm crashing 1 out of 100. I finally figured out how to drive that darn sled. Then I started competing internationally, tried to be one of the 50 men who get to compete in the Olympics. Even before my first Olympics, I might have been jogging, I might have been lifting weights, I might have been eating dinner, I might have been walking down the mall. You know what was going on in here? I could see all the people cheering. It was so exciting. And I could see, man, there's the Olympic flag, and oh my gosh, we're here. And the Olympic orchestra playing the Olympic anthem, my favorite song in the whole wide world. We're high-fiving each other. Man, we made it, it was worth it, it was worth it. And you can feel the snow hitting your face and the tears of joy. And you can feel the goosebumps everywhere. I'm feeling right now, guys. I am there. And 4 years later, when I actually walked into that stadium, it was just like I imagined it. It was awesome. The mind can't tell the difference between something that you vividly imagine with all your heart and all your soul and all your senses, all your passion. It can't tell the difference between that and something that's actually happening. So when you go through that little exercise, what's it going to feel like? What's it going to be like? Don't get caught up on the visualization word. Capture the feeling. If you can get the feeling, that'll work, okay? That's the main thing. It's like guys, and anybody, when you were a kid, and you were pretending, you got the hoop up there and you're practicing. 5 seconds, he takes a shot. Yes! That's visualization. Capture the feeling. Made him feel like he just won. Made him feel like a winner. You can do that anywhere, anytime, and you do it, right? You feel it. You don't just go through the motions.